Hey there, happy Takeout Tuesday, right, Eric?
Takeout.
I mean, Tech Time Tuesday. Today, we're looking at something kind of interesting, and every Tech Time video, we do these to kind of educate you, and we're not just manufacturer parts, we're literally underneath coaches every day, and Eric's got something pretty interesting to show you.
Yeah, today we got a coach in and we're gonna put some conies on it. Ben, when the tech's got it jacked up in the air on our coney lifts, and notice that the arms that say do not jack or tow on arms is bent. Now both of these arms on both sides are bent, so it's kind of hard to say if somebody tried to tow it or they just jacked up on both sides. Obviously, you don't want to do that. Put the bending, you're going to actually change the alignment. Probably a little more stress on this bushing here, but I've seen them come in also where they're broken too. So you got to be real careful. The best place to jack this suspension up is out here on this bottom knuckle here. Just kind of hard to get a jack because it's a pretty low, when the ground's here, but low profile jack that's the best place to do it. So.
Well, that bright yellow sign was maybe hard to see, I guess.
Yeah.
So this real quick fix to either tow it or whatever they did ended up costing them quite a bit. What do you think it is going to cost to replace that stuff?
I'm hoping we can get them. I don't know how long
really?
it'll take to even get the parts.
Really?
Not a common part to go bad. So.
Okay. So if you do, so I guess the lesson is, watch your head first off. It's a little low around here. I guess the lesson would be if you end up breaking down side the road or whatever, and you call a tow truck, make sure, for your sake, that they're doing it the right way, because it clearly says no jack or tow on these arms, right? So
I'm almost thinking that they either hit something bigger or it was a tow, just because they're both bent forward. It's hard to say. Hard to say what happened.
So do you think this would affect the driving and handling?
Well, probably more of the alignment, I would suspect.
Okay.
I don't see any bad tire wear yet, but so that's why it's hard to say, when it did happen. But obviously, it happened.
Well, that's another good reason he just mentioned, why we do the RP, the Road Performance Assessment, because we don't want to just throw parts on your motorhome. We want to really look at everything and all the components work together. And so Eric found this when he was doing that, so that's good.
Ben found it. I can't take credit.
Ben did. Ben's behind the camera right now.
Pointed it out.
Okay, so we worked as a team apparently. Well, thank you for watching this Tech Time video and Takeout Tuesday.
I'm running out of them. I got to come up with another one.
Yeah, he's got to come up with the next one. So thank you for watching. Until we see you another one of these, we wish you safer and happier driving.